everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I am Whitney, and I am here to talk you through the three occasion or specialty dresses that I'm going to be making for my cousin's wedding and our trip to Italy. But before we get into that, today is Friday. Today is Good Friday. If you are Christian and celebrating Good Friday, I hope you're having a great Good Friday. If you are of the Jewish faith, Passover, it's a big holiday weekend this weekend, so I hope everyone is enjoying some time with family and enjoying reflection and all that comes with those holidays. But it's also Love Notions Feature Friday, and today we've got a big re-release. The duet trousers are being released again, so in the size range, there's now a full belly adjustment front. I love that in the glissandos, so very excited about it in the duets. I've made the duets once before, but I would love to try them again. So keeping those on the radar for probably the fall to see where those come up. But yes, today it has been released. It is $5 today only. You can use the code, we have changed because it's a new quarter. So use the code CAT10 for 10%, an additional 10% off that sale order. So that's a new code because it's a new quarter. So CAT10 will get you the 10% off the Love Notions, so 10% off that sale price as well. So if that is a pattern you would like in your wardrobe, again, it's all been refreshed, so it's ready to go. I would definitely go grab that one for today. Okay, folks. Let's talk about Italy. So I am going to break up my Italy sewing plans a little bit just for ease for myself. So we have got 3 events that we have to attend. I mean, I know everyone's like, Backlight, you're going to want to buy stuff while you're there. And I realize that. But unfortunately, not unfortunately, it's the reason we're going for my cousin's wedding. But we have 3 events that we need 3 outfits for, like nice outfits. Which does cramp our packing style a little bit. So I thought I would walk through my plans for those 3 dresses today, and then maybe later in the month or in May, beginning of May, I'll walk you through things that I'm pulling from my closet to take for just my wardrobe, my everyday wardrobe, and that I'm going to try and make as minimal as possible, but I'm going to be doing a little bit of sewing for that as well, so I'll talk you through that in a later video. So today we're talking about the 3 dressier items that I'm making for my trip to Italy. If you haven't heard, my cousin married an Italian. They got married last summer, but they're just now doing the big celebration in Italy, and we're going. So with my parents are going to go, and my sister and her family, and then my cousin's sisters, who are also my cousins, obviously, and their families. So it's going to be a really crazy and wonderful trip. Very excited. Okay. So let me walk you through. You've seen these fabric. Well, no, you haven't seen one of them. So I'm going to walk you through everything. Okay. So for the first dress, I have this exquisite, this is from the Cloth Edit down in Australia. I am so excited to make this dress. This is her linen silk substrate. Look at this fabric. It is my orange, and it has like this isn't the fabric peeking through the other side. It's like a shadow effect on the print with the floral. Isn't that stunning? If you could feel this in person, it is just, this was something that I bought just because it was so beautiful, and I'm so glad I did, and I cannot wait to wear this or to sew this up. So with this fabric, and I think this is going to be my main dress for the wedding, I'm going to be making Know Me Patterns 2016, and I think I'm going to do version A, which is the lime green version that Nikki has on here in the front. Love that. It's got a really cool yoke detail, I think, and I want to do those shorter sleeves. I'm so excited about it. I'll pop a picture of the pattern up so you can see it a little bit better. But I think this is going to be so stunning. I may go with the shorter length. I have to look at the fabric here. I think I have 3.5 meters of this. And let's see. And it's wide. Yeah, dress A, it says, takes, which is the longer one, takes 4 for my size. And dress B takes 3.5. So, but if you look over in the meters, it's like 3.7 for my size and 3.2 for the other one. But I have to shorten things because I'm short, so I think I can make it work. So this, folks, how exciting is that? I'm so excited. If you've not been over to Cloth Edit to oogle her fabrics, you're missing out. You know, she's in Australia, so if you're in North America, you do have to pay a little bit more for shipping, but it is so worth it. Pick out a couple of beautiful fabrics. Her prices are in the Australian dollar, which saves us a little money if you're US. I'm not sure about the other exchange rates, but you can look at it in those terms. But just treat yourself. It is absolutely stunning. Okay, so this is another one that I grabbed from Cloth Edit when I ordered from her. I grabbed 2. I think I just have 3 meters of this one, but it's this patchwork. This feels so Dolce & Gabbana to me. This patchwork, and this is just linen, so it's not the linen silk. This is just the regular linen with all these beautiful, patchwork. And again, it feels very Dolce & Gabbana, and I just couldn't get the idea of a shirt dress out of my head. It needs to be a shirt dress. So when I was buying that Know Me pattern, I saw this one and grabbed it as well. So this is Know Me 2020. I think I want to do, it comes with a sleeveless version and also one with a sleeve. I want to do the longer one, so I will definitely do the skirt on view A, and I think I'm going to do the fun pockets. I'm not going to do the pockets on the bust because that just never, it's just not good for me. But I do want to do the pockets on the hips because those are good for me. That'll help balance out my figure. So yeah, I think I want to do the sleeve, but maybe not. Maybe I'll just do the sleeveless version. Again, I'll pop a picture. But I think that that's going to be so stunning in this patchwork fabric, and in a linen, it's going to be so comfortable to wear, and just feel great while, you know, for whatever, if I wear it for the rehearsal dinner or if I wear it for the cocktail party. I'm still not quite sure exactly what the requirements are. And I've got my orange mules that are a heel that I think will be perfect for both of those dresses as a kind of a pop of color, but also give me a little bit of height without being like neck breaking. So, because cobblestones and stuff like that when we're in Italy. And then for my final dress, I've really been lately, I've been very busy. I keep saying this on the channel, and I wouldn't say I'm on the verge of a burnout, but I can see that I need to change my trajectory a little bit so as not to burn out, which I have a wherewithal of my mental health and keeping an eye on all that, so don't worry, but I do need to be doing some comfort sewing. Some people need comfort food. I need some comfort sewing, which means patterns that are some of my TNTs that are tried and trues that I can easily make up. And probably a lot of the rest of the sewing for Italy is going to be all those type of patterns, unless it's, I may get into my wardrobe and realize I've got pretty much everything and I don't need to make anything else. That could very well happen. Or there might just be a couple of pieces, especially when I get through making a couple of pieces for my spring wardrobe. I very well could notice that that is the case. But I just want 3 new dresses to take to Italy for these 3 events. So I grabbed, oh gosh, probably around my birthday. So back in February, Minerva had posted on their Instagram some of their viscose chalets, their exclusive prints that they do. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need all of those. Like all of those colors, I need all of those prints. I didn't buy all of them. There was like 5 or 6 that they had like laying next to each other, but I did grab 3 of them. And one of them, and I can't remember the name of this one, but look at the vibrant colors in this. It's just stunning. And this actually goes really well with my spring wardrobe. But I have 3 meters of this, and I want to make the cashmerette rose claire dress. I love that dress. And I think I want to do the tiered skirt. I don't know that I have enough fabric to do the big sleeve. I've made that dress with the bigger sleeve. It's so beautiful with the tiered skirt. But so if I don't, I'll just do the shorter sleeve. I've made that dress both the big sleeved with the tiered and gathered, and then I've also made it with just the regular little short sleeve with the without the frou-frou to it. You know, it's just the wrap dress with the regular skirt, and it hits like right at my knee. But I would like to do that longer skirt. That just feels very Italian to me. But I may end up doing the shorter sleeve if I don't have enough fabric. But those colors, and it's in a rayon challis, so it'll be comfortable to wear in the heat while we're over there. We are going to bring a steamer, so if the rayon gets crinkled in the suitcase, which it probably will, we are taking a steamer, one steamer for my mom and sister and I to use and our families, but we should be good with there. But isn't that the happiest print. It just makes me so happy. And I'd mentioned to you all that after, the winter got a little dark for me, just with my wardrobe. That sounds more dramatic than I meant it to. And I'm just ready to sew dopamine sewing, sew all the color. So very excited about putting this into my wardrobe, not only for Italy, but also to wear to church, to wear out to dinner with my husband, just any event that may or may not, come up, any parties that we may have to go to. I love a good wrap dress. It's one of my favorite silhouettes on myself, which is why I wanted one of my dresses to definitely be, the shirt dress is a wrap dress too. I just really love that silhouette on myself. So I know that I love this on me as well. So that is gonna be a rose Claire, and I can make that up pretty quickly, which is kind of good too. I feel like I flew through this video. I feel like Tuesday's video and now today's video, I've been like, this is a little bit of a, I've just got a lot on my plate right now. It's fine. I'm recording this early, so we were leaving by the time you're watching this, we're back, but we left for a few days over my kids' spring break to go to my cousin's Missouri reception and just a couple of days with family in Missouri. But I'm right in the middle of this fitting class right now, which is wonderful. And so that is keeping me very busy, as well as some other stuff behind the scenes that we've got going forward with the channel, which is very exciting. So all good stuff. And I am looking at the light at the end of the tunnel with some relaxing, enjoying the fruits of my labor, and yes, and re-gearing myself, doing some more just creative sewing, and I am craving that so much right now. So doing these plans just gets me really excited just to do some pretty sewing and to make myself 3 beautiful new dresses for Italy, and we'll try and skimp on the packing for the rest of the days and keep that compact. But yes, I will be having another video kind of talking you through what I plan to wear. And then I think while I'm over there, I'm gonna do like an outfit of the day so you can kind of see how I'm wearing everything as well. Okay, folks, I think that's all I've got. Again, duet trousers are being released today, so definitely go grab those Love Notions if that is something of interest to you. They're a pull-on pant, but they can be made with stable knits as well as stretch wovens. It's a really good pattern, so you definitely want to go have a look over there. Okay, guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday. I hope you have a great holiday weekend. No matter what you celebrate, I just hope it's good with friends and family and restorative for you. And I will see you for a quick message on Sunday. Sunday is Easter and we will be celebrating. So just a really quick little message for you on Sunday and then again on Tuesday. Have a good weekend and I will see you there. Bye.